Hello. So tonight I'm going to show you how to put together your Easter pillow boxes. There is a Happy Easter and You're an Extra Special sign on one with an Easter basket and the pillow box. And then also a Happy Easter with a Hippity Hoppity, a Happy Easter, and then a little bunny with an egg and a cute little carrot. So what you're going to need to do is to have a scissors or something to cut this out with. You could use an X-Acto blade or something like that as well. I like to use a ruler for when I score. I'm using two-sided tape. You could use a glue stick if you like. And then I have this little embossing tool that I got from the dollar store. It's got like a little ball on the edge of it, a little one and a larger one. Doesn't matter really the size. I just use that to do my scoring. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start by cutting out my box, and I have the lines. I used just a yellow line all the way around so that it matched everything really nicely. And I'm going to kind of just quick cut that off. And I'm just being careful to kind of stay around my lines so that it looks nice. Kind of like so. Now I have two little kind of like half circles here on the ends, and that's going to help us later when we kind of fold our sides in. Okay, so I cut those out. So I have this. I am going to quick just cut my Hippity Hoppity sign out as well. Now again, you can use an X-Acto blade. Kind of like so. Okay, like that. We're gonna use on the other side of our pillow, and then I'm just gonna cut out my little bunny here. Now you can cut it, we're like right up to the rabbit and everything, or you can leave a little white outline around it if you like, however you want to do it. Okay, so I've got my little bunny and I have my little sign. So the next thing is I'm going to grab my ruler or straight edge, and I have my lines. You can see the yellow line that's right down the middle. I'm going to take my embossing tool and my straight edge. I'm going to line it up, and I'm going to score the line. Now that means I'm not going through the paper. I'm just making it so that when it folds super easy and super nicely. I'm going to do the same thing to this little edge here, because that's going to be the flap that folds in for us. And then I'm going to go just around my curved line here. Being real careful to stay right on the line. So All right. So all of our edges are going to fold super, super nicely. Okay, even the curved edges are going to fold because we've got it scored, and that's why we do that, so that it folds real nicely for us and easy. If you wouldn't score, it'd be kind of a hard fold, especially the curved areas. So super, super, super simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little white flap here, and I'm going to put a piece of double-sided tape. Again, you can use like a glue stick if you want to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in, and I'm going to fold this right on top so that it lines up. Okay? And then what we're going to do is I am going to simply pop this in on both sides, just like so. Now, if you want it wider, all you need to do is to kind of latch it inside that half circle spot. Bring this out like this. There we go. And then you have a wider pillow, okay? But for now, I'm just going to put this down so that it's just the plain pillow. We have Happy Easter on one side. On the other side is where we are going to add our rabbit. Now I'm going to just quick make a little cut here just so I separate and have that little space in between my rabbit and the carrot there. That's just my personal preference. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a real little bit of double-sided tape. I'm going to stick it right on the top so that he kind of sticks out. You can see that it's three-dimensional from the box itself. Okay, and then I'm going to use my little Hippity Hoppity sign, and I'm just going to kind of tuck it underneath. I want to be able to see the Hippity Hoppity, so I got to kind of move it to see. Unless I kind of have it sticking out that way, maybe half in, half out, kind of like that. And you can play around with it how you want it to look. So I'm going to put my piece of tape here because I know that that's where I want it to stick. And his little hand is going to go over there just a little bit. And there you go. I have this super cute little 3D pillow Easter basket, or Easter treat box. So it is a Hippity Hoppity on one side, Happy Easter on the other.